Alright, so up here you can see one of the new poles they put in. Looks great. And this sidewalk is amazing. It was basically a 1 meter sidewalk before, like it was awful. This is just way better. But see some of the new poles they put in. So my question, can you even cross here? I don't think you can. See some of the new signals they got. But I don't think you can cross here because so it looks like it works. But that pedestrian signal for some reason is like turned. I don't know why. Like I think it should work. Unless they're in the process of switching over the signals, I don't know. It looks like that one works. That's weird. But yeah, I can see the new pole they got. That side looks like, oh, they are going to be doing a new pole on that side too. Looks good. So I might try and cross here. I don't know. It should work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Yeah, it does. So I don't know why that side. Anyways, we got the APS, so at least know when it's a walk, but yeah, I don't know why that one's turned. But at least it works. Seems like an oversight. But then it goes back to green. But yeah, I can see the new signals. It looks like they plan to add a crosswalk on that side too. But they're just going to keep this pedestrian only signal. They're not converting it into a full one. But yeah, it looks good. There you go. I might cross over again. Kind of wait for traffic to clear up. But see, the new sidewalk's going to be way better. Going to be bike lanes. So I'll cross over again. I think so. Solid green, yellow, red, and walk. But yeah, there you go. It's gonna be a way nicer intersection.